This is DJI Mini 3 Pro, and today I'll show how you can reset all your controls back to default on this device. So to start, you will need to take your controller or your phone, launch the DJI Fly app, then go into the flying interface. Here tap at these three horizontal dots, go into the control section. To begin, open the stick mode and set it to mode 2. That's the default mode for your joysticks. And then you can also, you should also reset all customizable and remappable buttons controls. So next go into the button customizations, and here at the top right corner of your screen, tap at the reset option. And all those binds and all those button customizations will be restored back to their default actions here. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.